So welcome back everyone, Triple M here. Today's video we're talking about a Fire TV Stick feature that a lot of people use that's no longer going to be available. So we're seeing this roll out on many devices, and this is a forced update, so eventually it's going to get around to you. So we're going to jump into what that setting is, how it's used, and also I want to know if you guys received the latest update that got rid of this feature. So we're going to jump right into it. If you're new to the channel, subscribe, smash the notification bell. Let's go. I spot this first on AFTV News, and of course I'll link the full article in the description. Amazon removed the option to hide applications on Fire TV streaming devices, and of course, like I said in the intro, this is a forced update. So for a lot of people who got the Amazon Fire TV Stick, you know that it comes with a couple of applications that you really can't uninstall, guys. When you think of apps like Prime Videos, Fire TV Channel, even the Amazon Shopping app, those apps are installed by default, and normally we have the ability to hide those applications just to kind of declunk your Fire TV Stick. Now, I'm sensing that Amazon noticed that a lot of folks were doing that, and of course, in order to have more visibility on those applications, they have now removed that feature. So another way folks would use it, include myself, if you have a Fire TV Stick and you have multiple profiles, you can see I have 4 profiles here. Every person is going to go in and install their own applications. Now what that will do is when you go to your profile, I'll see those apps that everyone else installed. So again, another reason why that feature was so cool, you can just automatically hide those applications. That way your profile won't be that cluttered. So those are the 2 main ways I use that feature, but let's jump into how to get to that feature and also what they have replaced it with. So if you hit the 3 lines on the home screen of your Fire TV Stick, I think you have to be hovering over applications. So if you're over the TV menu and hit it, nothing's going to happen. So you're going to have to be in this area. Hit the 3 lines. You're going to see some options pop up, guys. You're going to see the option to move front, info, offload, and uninstall. So essentially the offload feature is a new feature that was rolled out fairly recently. I don't know the exact version, but what the offload feature does, it automatically applications will be removed that haven't been used on your device in the past 60 days. So this is a different thing. It is going to uninstall those applications that haven't been used, and that's not really the same as hiding it when you think about it. So that's a fairly new option. We also have the option to uninstall, but again, going to do the same thing, just that the auto offload just times it down for 60 days. When you get into the offload, if you click on it, it is going to bring you to a menu. It's going to ask you if you want to auto offload those applications. This app will be offloaded for all profiles on this Fire TV. Auto offloading will free up space, but keep the app's data in case you want to reinstall it. So basically it's going to leave some of the information in the cloud. That way when you reinstall it, you're all good. Now additionally, if you go into your settings, you can just turn it on and off for it to do it automatically. So if I go to my settings, I'm gonna go to my applications. Now you can see do have auto offload where I can turn it on or off. So like I said, different ways you can get to it. You can do it by application, or you can do it for all apps on your device. So again, that feature's been removed. I really don't like the direction this is going. As far as what devices this is on, this is currently I'm on my Fire TV Stick 4K Max. This is the 2nd generation. Also tested on my Fire TV Cube, 3rd generation. It's also gone there. And I've seen reports where it's also being removed on the 1st generation Fire TV Stick 4K, 2nd generation Fire TV Stick, and all Fire TV Cube models. So this look like it's coming. It's one of those downloads that you really don't have the option to stop, but let me know what you guys think in the comments. 2 options to stop this from happening. One is to use ADB override, and the other option is to use a launcher where you can essentially customize what you're viewing. Both options are there for you, but let me know if you guys care about this feature or if it's just another thing that you don't use. Also in the comment section, let me know if you want me to do a follow-up video. I can show you guys either how to do the ADB override or show you some custom launchers that will kind of alleviate this change. Of course, if you're new to the channel, subscribe, smash the notification bell. Thank you for watching, and I'll catch you on the next one.